Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Juri with modern controls. Modern controls make Juri accessible, simplifying her special moves to a single button press combined with a direction. This allows you to focus on strategy and timing rather than complex inputs. You can execute powerful auto combos by repeatedly pressing light or medium attack buttons. Mastering her unique abilities and the drive system will elevate your gameplay significantly. Juri's special moves are crucial for her game plan. Fuhejin, her projectile, can be charged to increase its speed and damage, creating pressure. Tensenrin is a fantastic anti-air, quickly knocking opponents out of the sky. Ryoden Satsu is a fast, forward-moving kick that helps close gaps or extend combos. Seihasho is a low attack that can surprise opponents and open them up for further offense. The drive system is vital for Juri's offense and defense. Drive impact absorbs up to 2 hits, leading to a wall splat for big damage if successful. Drive parry recovers your drive gauge and can lead to a perfect parry for a huge advantage. Drive rush allows for quick movement and combo extensions. Overdrive versions of her special moves offer enhanced properties, costing 2 bars of the drive gauge. To start, use Juri's auto combos by repeatedly pressing light or medium attack for quick damage and knockdowns. Link her special moves, like Fuhejin or Ryoden Satsu, after normal attacks to extend your pressure and damage. Employ Drive Rush to quickly close distances or extend your combos even further. Always be ready with Tensenrin to punish opponents who jump, maintaining strong air control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.